Right, Honourable Speaker, these are over 40 members and they are standing in disapproval of the vote that you have announced. Because I'm still engaging the Speaker. I'm with the Speaker. Chairman, come down. Chairman, come down. Let the Speaker first rule. Come down. Chairman, please come down. The Speaker hasn't ruled yet.
The clerk is going to count the people. Yes. Clerk, can you count the people?
Honourable Speaker, I thought that for certainty...
I am going to count.
Actually, Honourable Speaker, you count me to make it easy, Honourable Speaker.
Can I have the ayes move to the lobby of the government side? All the ayes move this side. All the ayes move this side. And let's have it count. Let's have the number. Let the all the ayes. Senor, you first wait. And the ex-officials you get aside because you don't vote. We don't want to count you.
The Speaker does not count. The clerk is counting.
The counting is taking place. Helen, Nachimuli, move your side. You sit. Honourable members, clerk, I'm waiting. You will have them. You wait. Honourable members, the ones who voted nay are on this side. Give me the numbers. Give me the numbers. Everybody in? Honourable members, can I have everyone in? Can I have everyone in? From the voting exercise under the division lobby, it must be noted that we had to take the vote through a division lobby because there was a contestation of the results of the voice voting under Rule 101 of the Rules of Procedure. And as the custodian of the rules, I listened to all sides, to everybody. And therefore, I really want to urge you, members, to have faith in the capacity of a presiding officer, other than being impartial, and presiding officers always try their best to be fair. And I want to inform you that the voting record of today is going to be part of the official parliamentary record, and it should be uploaded in the parliamentary information system for future reference. For future reference. If you want to know who voted, who did not vote, you should be able to vote. And we went to vote, we went for voting because we did not believe in the results. I now want to announce the results. The nays had 77. Congratulations. The ayes had 159. So the ayes and abstainees are nil. So the ayes have it, and I adjourn the House and dine.